Hi, today we are going to talk about writing as a complete square. Some examples for complete square: x plus 2 whole thing squared, 2x minus 5 whole thing squared, 2x minus 3 over 4 whole thing squared. So these are complete squares. Then we are given write the following expressions as complete squares. First one, x squared plus 6x. So when you are given an expression to write as complete square, first of all we check the quadratic term. That means to the power 2 term. We check the coefficient of that. If quadratic term coefficient is 1, now here it is 1, take the linear term coefficient and divide that by 2. So we have to take, this is the linear term coefficient, that is 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then square it and add and subtract to the given expression. So we have to take this answer and square it. 3 squared, that is 9. Then we have to add and subtract to the given expression. So x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9. Then I write this here again, x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9. Then if you consider these first three terms, this represents a complete square. How do you write it? You take x from here and linear term sign, that is plus, then linear term coefficient divided by 2, that is 3, whole thing to the power 2. This is the complete square. Then remaining minus 9. So x squared plus 6x can be written as x plus 3 whole thing squared minus 9. We can check whether x plus 3 to the power 2 becomes x to the power 2 plus 6x plus 9. How? I'm going to expand x plus 3 times x plus 3, x times x plus 3 plus 3 times x plus 3, x times x squared, x times plus 3 plus 3x plus 3 times x plus 3x plus 3 times plus 3, that is plus 9. Then we have like terms, 3x, that is 6x plus 9. Yes, we get this answer. So this can be written as x plus 3 to the power 2. So this answer is correct. Second one, 3y squared minus 12y. If quadratic term coefficient is more than 1, quadratic term coefficient is 3 here, so that is more than 1, take that out. So I'm going to take 3 out, open bracket, 3y squared divided by 3, that is y squared, minus 12y divided by 3 minus 4y. Then I continue writing 3, I put curly brackets, then I write y squared minus 4y. Then what is the linear term here? That is minus 4y. Then what is the coefficient of that? That is 4. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. Then we have to square it. 2 squared, that is 4. Then we have to add and subtract. Add 4 and subtract 4. Close bracket. 3, open bracket. Then when you consider first three terms, it is a complete square. How do you write it? You go to the variable, you write that, and you go to the linear term and take the coefficient with the sign, that is minus 4 divided by 2, that is minus 2. So this is the complete square. Then what is remaining? Minus 4. Now expand this curly bracket by 3. 3 times bracket 3 times y minus 2 whole thing squared, 3 times minus 4 minus 12. So that's the answer. Third one, 3x squared plus 15x minus 10. So we are given three terms. We have a constant, and what we have to do is we consider quadratic term and linear term and continue. So if you consider quadratic term and linear term, we check quadratic term coefficient, that is 3, more than 1, then we have to take that out. So I write 3 out, open bracket, 3x squared divided by 3, that is x squared, plus 15x divided by 3 plus 5x, close bracket, and we continue writing this numeric term constant, that is minus 10. Then I'm gonna write this expression inside the bracket as a complete square. So I write 3 curly bracket x squared plus 5x. Then what we have to do, we have to go to the linear term and take the coefficient, that is 5 divided by 2, that is 5 over 2. I write this one as a fraction. Then 5 over 2 squared, that is 25 over 4. Then I add 25 over 4 and minus 25 over 4, close bracket, outside we have minus 10. Then 3, open bracket. Then if you consider first three terms, this is a complete square. How do you write this complete square? We get the variable, that is x, and we go to the linear term and take the coefficient with sign. So that is plus 5 divided by 2 plus 5 over 2 whole thing to the power 2. This is the complete square. Then what is remaining? Minus 25 over 4, close bracket, minus 10. Then I'm going to expand the bracket by 3. 3 times x plus 5 over 2 whole thing squared, 3 times minus 25 over 4, that is 3 times minus 25 minus 75 over 4, and this minus 10. Then how do you simplify minus 75 over 4 and minus 10? We write this one as a fraction, that is 10 over 1, and we equalize the denominators. Here 4, 1 multiplied by 4, 10 also multiplied by 4. Then I write here 3x plus 5 over 2 whole thing squared. Then here minus 75 over 4 minus 4 times 10, 40 over 4. So final answer 3x plus 5 over 2 whole thing to the power 2 minus 75 over 4 minus 40 over 4, that is minus 115 over 4. That's the final answer. I hope you understood. See you in the next video.